Yo, hello everyone. Namaste. Welcome to Nepal, guys. So we are exploring Nepal, and I am in one of the biggest market here by the name Asan Market, guys. This is my second time in this market, and today I'm just want to share a special video between Nepal and India, guys. So far I have been in India. From India I came to Nepal, and I just want to share with you guys some of the similarities and difference between India and Nepal, because so far so good. It's my 2 week in Nepal, and I tried a lot of local traditional stuff here in Nepal, and I also visit a lot of the historical, cultural and heritage places of Nepal. You can go and check out the vlogs. The vlogs are already out there, guys. Yeah, so this is the Assam market. How do you sell this one? One is how much?
How much?
Huh?
$2.
$2. You know how much is $2 means? They're saying $2. I don't know if he knows how much is $2. $2 will be cheap for that. Anyway, it's little bit confused. Maybe he thought $2 is high. But anyway, guys, so yeah, starting with Nepal and India when it come or in terms of the breakfast, guys. So actually in Nepal is 15 minutes ahead of India, and in Nepal, guys, I just found out that like people here, what they consume for breakfast, like it's totally different from India. Because in India, early in the morning I see people outside there eating puri, dosa, idli, and this is the most famous breakfast mostly in the north and south of India. But in Nepal, what people consume here for breakfast is totally different. It's like we African in the morning, the first thing we start with it is just tea, guys. We start always with tea with biscuit or maybe any other snack. So in Nepal they start with the tea, and they have something round like this which they call it sel roti, and they have some local snack which they take with tea, and this is what they used to have for their breakfast. And around 10 to 11, this is where they take their lunch, guys, in Nepal. Wow, this is something different compared to India. Like they eat so early, that is when they eat, like around 10 to 11. And the most consumed food, I mean the food that Nepal people love to eat, and everywhere that you can find is momo, guys. And I just love the Nepali momo. I have tried a lot of momo so far. I ate the Tibetan and the newari, Nepali momo, guys. It's really delicious, and the way they serve it with special soup or chutney, this is what makes it so unique compared to India. Like in India, they always serve it with mayonnaise, and just know for Nepal, they are so specialized in making of momo, guys, which is something tasty and amazing. If you come to Nepal, guys, you must try the Nepali momo, guys. And so far, guys, Nepal is so good. Like they are building the geographical land and everything, guys, look totally different. And coming to religion, guys, let me take you, like just know that here in Nepal, every mile or distance you walk, you will find temple, guys. This is what I see little similar with the Indian people, guys. This is a similarity which Nepal also have, and people are so religious and they love their religion, guys. Like everywhere I go in Nepal or India, I find a temple, which is something similar I see here. I don't know, is this a Hindu temple or Buddhist temple, but I just also came to know that here, guys, in Nepal, Hindu and Buddhist is like one religion. For them is different, but they share, and they see themselves as one religion. They share the same same culture, guys. And in India, I've never seen that much of Buddhist people, guys. So I just want to show you. I think you have to pay for the lamp and then go and do the ritual, guys. So this is like the center of the market. You can see this is Asan Market, guys. This is the center, guys. And this is what make these two countries similar. Like
Hello.
India. Hello, how are you? I'm from Africa, South Sudan. You?
I am from India.
Okay, where are you going? This side?
No, no. I go this side.
Okay. You alone here?
Yeah, yeah.
Let's walk. What are you doing here?
I'm a student.
Student, you came with family or alone here?
No, family here.
What is your family? Okay. Okay, so what are you going to do here so far?
So I am.
Huh? You want to go after your family? Which side are they?
I go.
That side?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So how is the study going on? Huh? You're a student, right?
Yeah, yeah.
What do you think about the education system of Nepal? Is it that good?
It is very good.
It's good? No much tension and stress?
No, no.
Ah. What do you love? Can you tell me something good about Nepal? I need to know.
There are Hindu temple.
What more?
You are blogger? You are blogger?
Yes, I'm a vlogger, I'm a YouTuber.
What is your name?
Gabs Gabi. Yeah.
I check in YouTube.
The people are watching you, you have to tell them. And guys, this is one thing which is totally different compared to India and Nepal. Like you can see, I'm standing beside the road now, and you know, there is no much noise of horn like India. For India, oh my gosh, it's just crazy. Like people love putting the horn, guys, like so much of noise. Like it's really too much. It's not only for horn, but for me, it's so noisy. So this is Nepal, and you see people are driving. Even you can hear less horn. Sometimes you can't hear horn, and that's fine. That is not something bad. This is a proof that India is a really very big population, because we all know India is now the first populated country in the world, and Nepal for India is very, it's nothing like when it comes to population, right? Maybe because of population, the horn, but it doesn't matter. Also, sometime also I do see that Nepal used to get a lot of traffic jam, but still they ride without that much of horn. And this is what I see totally different, guys. So that's fine. In every country for sure you will find a lot of difference and sometimes the similarity in the hello from Africa. Yeah, you will see a lot of difference and similarity, guys. Yeah, so this is Nepal, and what I just love the most between these two countries, guys, because they are sharing border. Like India is so diverse, guys. India is so diverse, more diverse compared to Nepal, guys. But religion is something big for these two countries, guys. Like every little male and distant I walk, I always find a small mini temple. I see this is like the Lord Ganesha, guys, the elephant lord inside there. This is what I see it so similar to these two countries. And for India, when it comes into religion, India is so diverse. Like there is a lot of religion, like in India, Hindu, Christianity, Islam, Sikhism, Buddhism. But in Nepal, like the most popular one are Hindu and Buddhism. Buddhism in Nepal are so huge, guys. And also see from there, just again here I found a little mini temple, guys. Wow. This country, both India and Nepal, they are so rich in religion, culture, and tradition, guys. And there is one thing I saw so unique about Nepal that I have not even seen it in my country or in India, guys. I've never seen that. Like, it was in the transport, public transport, guys. It is a public transport where I saw ladies or women. They are like conductors, the bus conductor for the public transport, guys. So this is so unique. This is so unique and something different. I've never seen it in India, not even my country. And this is a proof also that Nepal is so safe and peaceful, guys. Because if women can be the bus, can be the public bus conductor, then it means the country is safe. It's good, guys. So far, I am just in the biggest market. This is the biggest market, guys. Asan Market, and you can see how clean is the market, guys. See everywhere. Just see how clean is the place. This is just a normal market, guys. Normal market, but the biggest market of Nepal, Kathmandu. But I just love it how they maintain the market. So clean, like there is no that much random dirty party smell. No, it's not there, guys. So good, and the environment, the surrounding is so good, guys. Yeah, something nice. So this is what I can share and all what I experienced so far since I came Nepal. And if you are watching from India or Nepal, you can drop more, guys. You can drop more of the difference or the similarity that I didn't mention in this video. And yeah, we are just sharing for awareness. Yeah, for awareness, guys. I see things here, guys. Those are the things. I saw the dry fish, guys. I saw the dry fish. That dry fish is just something similar to us. We African, even in my country, guys, we dry that. We used to dry that and we keep it at home. It is something common in my country because it will stay for a long time, guys, and it will not ruin, guys. This is how we do it in my place. Yeah, we do it this way. Fish and meat, guys. See, yeah, meat also. This is meat, guys. They dry it here, and this is something I see in India, and I also see in Nepal, and this is what also similar to my country or to other African countries, guys. So far so good, guys. So no hate, guys. Let's share more positive and experience together, guys. Yeah, both countries so far they are good, guys. Nepal and India when it comes to the people, guys. Like I love Nepal, India culture, and especially the people. The people are so lovely, and yeah, people are so lovely, guys. And what I found different between Nepal and Indian people, guys. Okay, in term of friendly, both country, the people are so friendly. But in India, people are more friendly in term like in India, everyone when they see foreigner or African, they want to interact with you, guys. They want to interact with you. They want to talk with you. Sometimes they will go beyond. Like Indians are so crazy. Just know that India is not for beginners. Also know that. But in Nepal, like people are more peaceful to the extent they don't even bother about the foreigners. I don't know why. Is it because I see a lot of foreign white people and foreigners outside here in Nepal or what? I don't understand it. But people don't really interact that much compared to India, guys. But it doesn't mean that they are not that good. But maybe this is the way how people behave here. And so far so good. I love it both, guys. I love it because I love both the way the local people interact, guys. Yeah, both countries have nice, amazing people, guys. So do check out, guys, more vlog outside here. See some of my videos experiencing their local food and visiting their most heritage places of Nepal, guys. Love you all. See you next time.